Hi, and welcome to this video on for loops. Now, what I've got here on the screen is a simple list which contains names of some football teams. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a for loop with which to simply what we call iterate through this list. That means sort of an iteration is when something repeats itself. Okay, and it's really straightforward to do. So I'm going to type in something like this, for, and then I. So I is going to be like a temporary variable, which is going to store the value of the item in my list. I'm going to say for I in teams, okay? And that I could be, that I've put in there, that could be any letter I wanted to. It could be X, it could be Z, it could be whatever I wanted. It could even be a word if I wanted. So, but I've put for I in teams, and then I'm simply going to then say print I, like that. So you see it's a really simple loop, and what this loop is going to do is it's going to print one at a time each team listed in my list here. So if I run this module now, you'll see there we go. It's just one at a time. It's gone through the list, just repeating its way through the list one at a time. And it has printed all of the names in the list. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be a list or a tuple or dictionary or something like that the for loop iterates through, that it loops through. What it could be is it could be a string. So to demonstrate that, I'm just going to remove that list there, and we said for I in teams. I'm just going to replace this teams here with the name Rovers. Okay, now remember, because it's a string, it's in speech marks, and then print I. So what should happen is it should print each individual letter one at a time from that name. So let's run that module. And there we go. It's used the string as almost like as a list, and it's gone through one at a time, printing each letter.